Junior, get over here. Come here, Junior. Okay, what's up, guys? I'm at my auntie's house, and this is Pit Junior. Oh God. Okay, Pit Junior. Pit Junior, come on. Oh yeah, and he used to be like this big, and now he's right here.
I might get some macaroni. Yeah, I'm gonna get some macaroni. Time for some macaroni.
So this is a pit. This is a pit bull. He's very cool. He's big, very big. Yeah. Wait, I want to see what happens if I put it on here. Hold on, let's see. Pit Junior! Pit Junior! Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, nah, we're not gonna do that because we'll put that does look cool. I saw the commercial where he put a camera on me. It was kind of cool.
What are you doing?
Making video. Oh crap! Are you serious? Oh yeah, by the way, that's my big cousin. Yeah. Yo, Justice, say hi to the camera. Hello. Playing Sonic. Well, what happened? What did he do?
He jumped up and just falcon punched my leg.
Fucking. He like. Ooh, he jumped on me for some reason. He just jumped on me for some reason. Because I did this.
Yeah, he doesn't like active.
There he is. Oh. My stomach kind of hurts from when he jumped on me. Oh God. But Junior, look at this. Look at this. He can jump. If he's right here, he can jump on the couch right here, and then he can jump from over here. Just look at this. He's so hyper right now. Oh, what do we? Oh, it sounded like Super Smash Bros. Over here.
He scratched my leg. Dang, look at that.
He hurt my stomach.
Hey, Junior!
Hey, Junior! Over here.
Junior.
Ooh. Dang. If he had a running competition against little dogs, he would be the first one to win. Look at this. I don't know what he's doing. What's up, guys? Okay, so we're gonna end this video. Make sure you like and subscribe and put on post notifications so you never miss a video. And yeah, see you later. Oh yeah, and if we can get this up to 15 likes and about 20 subscribers, I'll do a 3 a.m. video. Whatever you like, a 3 a.m. video, whatever. And see you later. Oh yeah, and a reaction video. See you later.